Asha. I am a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. Welcome to part 2 of crocheting the winter berries or Christmas crocheted berries. In the previous part, we learned how to crochet these berries. If somehow you have missed it, you can find a link in the description. Do hop on to the first part, crochet the berry and then come back to this part to learn to assemble the berry branch. If you are fond of decorating your home with handmade stuff during Christmas season, I have done a lot of different Christmas crochet projects in the past. You will find the link to the entire playlist in the description. Do check it out. You will find a number of different Christmas ornaments in that playlist. So if you are planning on decorating your Christmas tree with handmade stuff, do give it a try. Do check out the playlist in the description. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So now that we have the crochet berry with us, let us see how to assemble it. So before we assemble, I'm just going to take the thinner wire. We are going to add the 0.3 mm wire to the berry to make its stem. So for doing that, just insert the wire at the base of your berry. It is a very thin wire, so make sure that you do this delicately, otherwise the wire will bend and it will not pass through the stitches. Pass it through the base like this and then fold the wire in half and tightly twist it to create the stem of your berry. You are going to do the twisting till the end of the wire. Keep twisting it till the end. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. Once done, shape the berry again. Now we are going to wrap the wire with the floral tape. So before we do that, I am just going to cut off these two yarn tails, leaving a very small about 1 to 1.5 centimeter ends here. Now take the floral tape and we are going to start winding it right at the base of the berry. So for doing that, you are going to pinch the floral tape between your index finger and the thumb tightly and keep rotating it. The tape has to be slightly diagonal. Then just keep twisting it till the end of the wire. So here your berry is ready. Same way, prepare 9 more berries till you have a total of 10 berries. Now we are going to see how to assemble these to create this berry branch. So as you can see that I have created some mini branches here. Like you can see that in this one we have 3 berries together. Here we have 2 berries together. If you want, you can attach all the berries on the single stem also. But this gives it a more naturalistic look. So let us do that. So we are going to prepare a few bunches. So I am going to do 1 bunch of 3 berries and 2 bunches of 2 berries, and these 3 will do as single berries for the main stem. So for doing the small bunches, I'm going to start with 1 berry, start wrapping it with the floral tape, then add a second berry to it, and then add a third one. Now wrap the wire till the very end. So this creates your first bunch. Do the same thing with these as well. Start wrapping, then attach the second berry and continue wrapping till the end of the stem. When you do this, make sure that you stretch the floral tape. Most of the floral tapes have inbuilt glue, and that glue is activated only when you stretch the tape slightly. So here all the mini bunches are ready. Now take the thicker wire, that is the 1 mm one, and now we are going to start assembling the berries together. So take the single berry and start wrapping the floral tape from the top. Once you are halfway through, then start wrapping it around the stem wire as well. For this part, I prefer to do double wrapping of the tape. So I'll just snip off the tape here and I'll wrap it again to give it extra security. If you don't want to use floral tape at this point, you can use yarn, brown yarn or red yarn or green yarn to wrap the stem. Now add the second berry slightly lower than the first one. Wrap the floral tape. Now add the third one. When you are doing this, make sure that you do it in the alternate fashion. Like this one I have done on the right side, so this one will be done on the left side.
Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making.
Now I'll add one of the berry branches. Just keep wrapping the floral tape on the branch as well as on the main stem. Keep doing this till you are done with all the berries. Here, if you want, you can increase or decrease the number of berries. If you want bigger or fuller branches, you can increase the number of berries. If you want smaller ones for doing a Christmas tree ornament, say, then you can have a branch with lesser number of berries. Like you can do 5 or 6 berries. That would be enough to do a pretty Christmas tree ornament. If you are doing an ornament, then you can add ribbon bows to the berry branch to give it a more festive look. Now once done, I've wrapped it till the end of the wire. Now just shape it a little, open up the berries. There you go. So like this, you can create as many branches as you want, and then you can do an entire bouquet of red berries. You can keep it in a vase and it will give a very nice and festive touch to your home. If you want, you can use it with different flowers and create a mix and match of different flowers and create a bouquet for yourself. If you want to crochet more flowers, I have done a lot of different crochet flower tutorials as well in the past. You can find the link to the playlist to that as well in the description. Do check it out. See which flowers you like, do a mix and match of different flowers and then create a bouquet for yourself. You can easily combine it with baby's breath. Red and white would give a very nice festive touch for the Christmas season. Now this is all for the tutorial today. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.